Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Discord, which is the app that we use for talking and video during our group cycling classes. So first of all, you'll want to download the app, and you can either download it to your computer or download it to your phone. Once you've gotten here, you want to open your Discord once you've opened up your own personal account. And we have shared a link on our private Facebook page on how to join Discord through the Team Triumph group. So you can see over here we have TTZ. This is Team Triumph Zwift. This is the group that you'll be invited to join. So we click on that. And you can see we have two different channels. We have this general channel, which is the text channel, where we can chat about people making bread, apparently, and encouraging each other, have a great ride. And if you're having trouble, like you think you lost voice connection, this is the place where we can text about that. But generally, once we're in the game of Zwift, it's hard to keep checking on the text. You can see over here on the right, this is our list of people in our cycling group all the way along here. So your name should appear there once you've joined the group. Over here on the left, you'll see the voice channels. So this is where you're able to hear and chat with the people in the group. So you want to click on Zwift, and this will activate your voice channel. And you heard the ding. That is a snow that you are connected. And you can see that while I'm talking, my name will light up so we know who's talking during the class. At the very bottom of the screen, let me see if I can get down there. Oh, nope, hang on. Give me 2 secs. At the bottom of the screen, there we go. You can see over here that my voice is connected now on Zwift. So Zwift on Discord. So now during the game, you can hear me through your earphones on Discord. We also have an option here to do video, so I may start to introduce video so that you guys can see me during the class, which may be sort of more fun. And I can also screen share here, not that we'll need to do that. You can mute yourself. So this is really important, especially during our classes, because we don't want to hear everybody breathing hard, maybe just me. But yeah, so here you mute yourself during the class, and after, when you want to talk again, maybe when we're doing the cool down or when we're doing the warm up, you can unmute yourself. Here you can deafen what you're hearing, so you don't necessarily hear exactly what's going on. And over here you have your settings. If you want to disconnect at the end of class, you click on here and click disconnect. That way you won't have that recording and you can hear that ding ding. That means you're disconnected. So anytime at the end of a class, you want to make sure you disconnect from our voice channel. That's pretty much it. So make sure for class on Tuesday or the first class that you're going to join, that you make sure you have downloaded this Discord app, that you've joined Team Triumph Zwift group, and then you click on the voice channel, which is the Zwift channel right there. You'll hear that noise and you'll know that your voice is connected, and you'll be able to hear everybody else. Then down here you can click the mute button so that you don't have to share your heavy breathing with everybody else. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and you'll be able to hear and see just like we used to do in class. All right, thanks for joining. We will see you on the bikes.